Okay, making shish kebab. Got our finely cubed filet mignon. Maybe about 5 servings of it. It's about 2 pounds worth of. Trying to take. We need about half a white onion. Okay, so we're gonna chop up about a third of an onion.
So here, this is 1/8.
Yeah, about.
I think it's too much.
Mm-hmm. No, that's about it. Yeah. This is black pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, same. Very little it wanted. And then a ton of salt.
Salt, şurugahani meçin,
Yep.
juice. So I'm careful with the salt. This is how my mom used to make, so.
Lemon juice?
Yeah, lemon juice too she used to put.
And then red pepper?
Red, Eintap red pepper, Aleppo red pepper. It gives a different flavor to the kebab.
Mm-hmm.
This is not very hot, it's sweet red pepper.
Sounds good.
And onion, right?
Mm-hmm.
Some people put wine.
Yeah.
Should we? Is
No, I want it the way that Grandpa wanted it. So put oil. Is it canola or?
This is canola oil. Any oil will do. And what did we say? Lemon?
Lemon juice? Yeah.
To tenderize it, I guess.
Yeah, 1
But
teaspoon.
this is so tender.
There's no need.
Küçük kukagor, mısır.
I think it's fine.
Too much, just a little.
So they don't burn immediately. Okay. All right. So now we're shishing it up. Khorovats. Right? Mm-hmm. Whoa. Make it work.
For you, if you want to do it.
All right, let's check this out.
I have
Looks
3
great.
videos.
Sometimes the shish cracks it. This is obviously not optimal. We would want charcoal,
It turns out just fine.
but it turns out just fine. And in a way, it cooks a little more even. But that's what your shish is for.
We started the onions about 10 minutes ago, and we turned them once. They take a little bit longer than the shish kebab. And then what do you say? How long?
Depends on how hot it is, but 15 to 20 minutes.
You just keep an eye on them.
Well, you want to just go 2 minutes and then turn just to kind of sear it and lock the juice in on each side. You want to just make sure you're getting even contact too when it's like this. Just try it. There you go. Have a taste. Uh-oh. Well, I'm guessing these are ready. What do you think?
Yeah, those look pretty good.
Looks good. It should just slide off. That's coming pretty easy. Yeah, middle looks cooked.
It's good to use the metal skewers because it cooks the inside when it conducts the heat.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's coming off.
That one was ready.
Yeah. Ah, the wet, dirty bread.
Yep. And you gotta eat this straight off the grill.
Yeah. What do you think about this guy? I think he looks good.
Yeah.
He's about to fall off. Oh yeah, it's coming like butter.
There you go, and that's how you make shish kebab.
We